This is the Inulexi Inix 12 FM transmitter. It comes in this nice package with the instruction manual in it. This Bluetooth car adapter with the latest V5.0 Bluetooth, which will provide a faster pairing and more stable connection. The QC 3.0 port, 18 watt Type-C PD port can charge compatible devices up to 80% in just 35 minutes, 4 times faster than the standard chargers. Answer, reject, hang up, recall in one button, and the noise suppression design microphone enables you loud and crystal clear from a hands-free call. It's much more safe and convenient when driving. Supports Bluetooth devices to play music. A supported bass booster. Let's use the product in the car. When you plug into your car's cigarette adapter, it allows you to choose an FM signal and tune into that device. Then open your phone's Bluetooth functionality and find the NX12 to connect to the device. Now you can play your favorite music easily. You can also adjust the volume easily with the transmitter. It has one push call pickup function. It supports voice assistant functions too. Finally, this supports Quick Charge 3.0 USB-C PD. This allows your phone to charge faster. Get yours now.